Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. So there is two intersecting lines interior of a circle. Measure of this arc is equal to 140 degree and measure of other arc is equal to 80 degree. And angle made by intersecting lines is denoted by x. And we have to find out the value of x. If you wanna try, pause the video and go for a solution. And when you are ready, keep watching the video. So let us draw a chord joining 2 points of intersecting lines. Let's see how this helps. Now look at the arc measured by 140 degrees. There is an inscribed angle made by intersecting line and a chord. And this angle is equal to 1/2 of the 140 degrees, that is 70 degree. Similarly, there is another inscribed angle made by intersecting lines and a chord, and this angle is equal to 1/2 of the 80 degrees, that is 40 degrees. Now we look at the triangle made by intersecting lines and a chord. One angle of this triangle is equal to 40 degrees and second angle is equal to 70 degrees. And x is the exterior angle of this triangle, so is equal to 70 plus 40, that is 110 degrees. Another way of seeing it is to find the third angle of a triangle, that is equal to 70 degrees. So the sum of three angles of a triangle becomes 180 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degrees. And that's our answer. Thanks for watching and giving your precious time to this video.